So curve on this. And that's how you do an LFO and an LFO. So the next tip I want to show you is how to import a wavetable. So first of all, what we're going to do is we've just got the normal wavetable here. We're going to click on the little pencil icon up here, and then it brings up to the wavetable edit window. So from here you click import and then audio via dynamic pitch to 0 snap. Now here's a couple wavetables I made previously. I'm just going to select a random one. Hopefully it's not too bad, which probably is. It's horrible. But as you can see, this is a wavetable I've made, so these are the different frames. As you can see right at the end, it's a bit different. So if we just close this, you can see essentially what the wavetable looks like. So I'm just going to turn off this. And maybe just like keep. So essentially what we've got here is just a wavetable that I've just literally imported, and all it is literally is just an audio file, a WAV file of something I made in the root of C, I believe. So you can import anything, it doesn't matter what audio file. Okay, so the next tip I'm going to show you is how you actually export a wavetable. So we've got this little wavetable here that's just been made in the analog BD sign. Essentially it's like a pulse sine sort of sound. So if we go into the editor again, instead of import you click export, and export all as 8-bit or as 32-bit indeed. So do 32-bit just to get the highest quality WAV. And from here just save it wherever you want, and then let's maybe just save it to the desktop and just call it Bass Gorilla something. So when we click import, so let's just say, let's go back and just change it or something. So then if we go in and import like we have in the previous one before, click that, we've got it there. Okay, so the next tip I want to show you is still in the wavetable edit menu. So if you get that back up, and I want to show you how to actually edit a wavetable. So if we just click on one of these, now you can see you've got like these different blocks. Now, and you've also on the side here got different curves. So from here what you can do is actually set a curve. So for example, say we might want to do this, or I don't know, let's try that, see what happens. Now we might want to copy that, paste that there, and there, and there. So what I've quickly just done here is I've done a different mixture of different waves here, as you can see. So you can move this up or down. And I've just made loads of different variations of this wave to make a sort of consistent wavetable. And if I just kind of sweep through them and show you what it looks like, as you can see, there's the little view. So you've got kind of a lot of little different harmonic ideas in there that you could switch with. So the next thing I'm going to show you, the penultimate tip, is comb filtering and its unique way on how you can get it in Serum. So I'm just going to stick with this little wave here. Quite like that one there. Now if we whack on the filter, and as you can see it's already automatically assigned to A, which is good. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go and set this to flanges and click comb plus or minus. Plus is better. Now what you've got here, if I can turn this off, you can hear it slightly phased, which is good. So I'm just going to bump up the drive to make it a bit louder. Okay, so if I just push up the resonance, you can start to hear the combing. And if I just take the cutoff down like very gently, so you can get some really cool like bro steppy effects with this. So if I just do it very, very gently. And that's essentially how you can get with the comb filter. So we can do comb minus. Essentially it's just the frequencies inverted. But you can still get some cool effects with that.